Hello everyone! We welcome you to the Noisy Room channel. This channel is going to be a children's song and nursery rhymes channel. The song will be in English and in Mizo. Now, let me introduce you to our channel's singer-artist, Rasky. She may be a child, but K.Rosangkimi Rasky's voice sounds very professional. I think many of us knows her from her cover of the song, Mother, How Are You Today? Now, the songwriter and producer of this channel loved roses so much that her friends started calling her Lady of Roses, Jacinta Marto Maengi. The songwriter's dream is to instill in children improvement of their mind and body so that they can learn how to live with others and learn how to connect with all of God's creation. The songwriter also wants to wish the best for all the children who learn from what they see and hear every day. Okay, so now my friends, this channel's first animated music video will be published on 28th May 2021. I request all of you to show it to all of your friends, kids, and grandkids. I request you to please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.